Hi children, all of you take out your volume 1 course book, 3rd class, volume 1 course book, page number 13. Our lesson is, already we started our village lesson and we are learning about our village, yes or no? Already we completed till page number 12 and today we will see about in the page number 13. All of you open your course book page number 13. Let's see what is there in the 13th page. See here in the first line, there all in this page, all there is a pictures only. So what are those pictures? Why they had given the pictures? We'll see now. Okay. Yes. Villages depend on each other for their sustenance. Some village helpers are shown here. See, here all these are village helpers. All they will stay in a villages only. Mostly they will be in a villages only. So each and everyone they will be having their own works. All the people in the villages will not do the same work. Every single person will do another works, different works. So like that, so many works are there. Okay children. So some villages helpers are shown here. All these are some villages helpers. So whatever the items who are preparing, we'll see. Okay children. The first one is a farmer. The first one is a farmer. The second one, carpenter. Carpenter. Third one, potter. Third one is a potter. Fourth one, weaver. Fourth one is a weaver. Fifth one, blacksmith. Sixth one, washerman. Seventh one, barber. Eighth one, barber after basket maker. Ninth one, cobbler. Next one, tailor. 11th one, electrician. And the 12th one, driver. See, these many they had given here. All these are the village helpers. How they will help? Farmers will do farming. If there are no farmers, we will not get any food to eat. Yes or no? We will not get any vegetables, any rice, nothing will get if there is no farmer. Okay children, so the farmers will help us to give us food. Carpenter. Carpenter will do woodwork. See, in our classrooms we will be having benches, doors, cots, beds, all these sofas will be there, no? So all that works will be done by these carpenters. Carpenters will do woodwork. Next, potter, making pots. If you see here, they will be preparing pots. Matti kundal tayar chestaru. So there will be a potters. They will prepare pots. And weaver. If you see here, weaver, they are weaving cloths. Weaver means they will make cloths by the help of these threads. They will prepare cloths. The cloths manki ravali ante it is done by these weavers only. This is done by these weavers only. Weavers only will make cloths. Next, blacksmith. Blacksmith will do iron work. Will be having at our homes will be having sickles, kodvallu, next axe. All this will be there, no? All these irons were made by this blacksmith only. Okay. Next, washerman. Washerman will wash our clothes. See, washerman, what he is doing here? He is washing the clothes. Yes or no? Yes, washerman washes the clothes. Next, barber. In our villages also we will be having barber shops. Barber, what he will do? What the work he will do? Barber will cut our hair. Yes or no? Yes. He will cut our hair. We'll go for barber shop to cut our hair. Yes. Next, basket maker. In villages, mostly few people will use these baskets only. Yes or no? So, these few people in the villages will prepare these baskets. So, it is a basket maker. Next, cobbler. Cobbler. Who prepares our slippers, shoes? Okay. So, this is a cobbler. Next, tailor. Who stitches our clothes? Tailor will stitches the clothes. Next, 11th one, electrician. Electrician will do a current work. Fans, repairing fans or repairing TVs or anything, all the electrician works and all the current work he will do, electrician. And the driver. See here, tractor driver is there. Driver drives the vehicles. Here driving a tractor. With the help of these tractors only, farmers will do the farming. Yes or no? So all these are the occupations for few people, different occupations. All the people will do different works. Some people will do farming, some people will do carpenter work, some people will do potter, weavers, blacksmith. All this will be done by different peoples. All these works will not be done by one man. ఒక్కరే చేయరు, ఇన్ని పనులు మొత్తం ఒక్కరే చేయరు. దేర్ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్స్. కొంతమంది ఫార్మింగ్ చేస్తే, కొంతమంది వీవర్ చేస్తారు, కొంతమంది టైలర్స్ చేస్తే, కొంతమంది డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ will do a different works. Okay children, so this is about this all these are the village helpers. Mostly all these occupations we can see in the villages only. Okay, next one you see, villages use various means of transport as shown below. See, in the villages most of the people will use so many types of transport facilities. But as in the cities or towns, they will be having their own vehicles like scooters, bikes, next cars. They will be having their own vehicles in cities or towns. But in villages, not like that. There will be a public transportation. So all these people will use all these types of transportations. Let us see what are the transportations. First one is a bus. Next one auto. Next one rickshaw, bicycle. Third one is a bicycle. The fourth one is a rickshaw. And the fifth one, boat. In some areas there will be a small rivers. In that rivers they have to go from this side of the river to that side. They have to cross that river. If they want, when they have to cross that river, they will use this type of boats to cross that rivers. Next, bullock carts. Nowadays we are not able to see anywhere the bullock carts. So rarely we are seeing. But in olden days there will be so many of bullock carts only. Next, tractor and this bike. Okay children, these are the transportations in your villages. All this we can see only in villages only. These bullock carts, rickshaws, all this we will not see in cities. Mostly all these transportations we will see in villages only. Okay children? Yes. So turn the next page. Page number 14. See, in the page number 14 we are having one big picture and there are some few names also there. Let us see what is there. A village also is a neighborhood. A village is also a neighborhood. Let us understand the public institutions located in the village and the services available through them. See children, in the villages we will be having some public institutions. So what are those and what the help we are getting from that? We will see here. See, so many are there here. First one, if you see here, water tank. The first one is a water tank. The second one here, post office. All of you look in your books, it will be there. Post office. Next one, veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital. Next one, temple. Next one, milk collection. Milk collection. Next one, bank. Next one, Gram Panchayat. Next one, primary school. All of you look in your books, there will be names, primary school. And next one, health center. Health center. Next here, down one is there. It's a bus stop. See, all these are in our neighborhood. మన ఇంటి దగ్గరలో మన ఊర్లోనే ఉంటాయి కదా. Will be having in our villages all these. There will be a water tank in our village. Yes or no? In your village, is there any water tank? Overhead water tank, big water tank will be there in your village. Yes, all the villages will be having water tank. Post office also will be there in our village. Veterinary hospital. What is veterinary hospital? Veterinary hospital is nothing but the hospital of animals. Okay, veterinary hospital is the hospital of animals. And a temple. We'll be having temple in our villages. Milk collection centers. Milk collection means we'll sell our milk. Yes or no? మన ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉన్న పాలు ఏం చేస్తాం, తీసుకెళ్ళి అమ్ముకుంటాం కదా, పాల కేంద్రాలు అంటారు. Yes, that is the milk collection centers. And bank. In few villages will be not having bank, but in most of the villages will be having bank also. And gram panchayat office. In each and every village will be having this gram panchayat office. There will be a gram panchayat office. Next, primary school. Each and every village will be having primary school. Primary school means first class to fifth class. In every village will be having primary schools. And health centers. Health centers is nothing but the hospital of peoples. Health centers. We'll be having health centers also. And the bus stop. And the final, this one is the bus stop. So all these are located in our village, in our neighborhood only. So water tank is there, post office is there, veterinary hospital, temple, milk collection center, bank, gram panchayat, primary school, health center, bus stop. All these are there in our villages. Yes or no? So, and based on this, see, water tank is here, post office here, health center is here, primary health center is here, primary school is there. So, what we have to do means, in which side water tank is located and where is the school is located and where is this primary health center is located and where is the milk collection center is located. We have to say the places where they were located. So, when we have to say the places, how we will say? Based on the directions only, no, we will say. Based on the directions only, okay, this school is located in the east of their east side, north side or the west side, like that we have to say. So, to say this address, if anybody asks you address, to say where is the bus stop, few people came to your village, they were new to village and they don't know the bus stop. And they asked you to, where is the bus stop? Please tell me the address of bus stop. So, at that time, what you will say, how you will say? Like that if you say means they will not understand. So, we have to say the directions. So we have to say in a directions way. So we have to say in directions way means first we have to know what is the directions, which way is the direction. This side which direction, that side which directions, we have to know that first. So now let us learn about the directions. Okay children, already in first class and second class we had learned about the directions. We know all the directions also. If you see, did you remember this? Why we wrote like this? East, west, north, south. Yes or no? In first class, second class already we had learned. We know all the directions. Yes or no? Yes. So these are the directions. Based on this only, we have to draw our village map. Our house is here means east side, west side, north side, south side. Based on this is our house. And we have to say the address from here. We have to go to the east, north, south, the next are this like this. Based on this, if you know the directions only, we can easily say the address. So, not only these 9 directions, east, west, north, south. Then we will be having this northeast direction. Okay children? Northwest direction. And here, southwest direction. And here, southeast direction. Okay children? east, west, north, south, and northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, southeast directions. So we have to remember this in our village. If this is our house, which side is east direction and which side is north direction, which side is west direction and which side is south direction. First we have to learn this one. After knowing this only we can easily say the address. Okay children. So this is the east, west, north and south directions. This one we learn in afterwards. Which side we have to go, what are the directions. So now take out your page number 15. Next page. All of you take out your page number 15. Let us see. First one is a Gram Panchayat office. No. The first one is a Gram Panchayat office. See, Gram Panchayat office. The first one. Gram Panchayat office looks after services like supplying water, cleaning streets, maintaining street lights, etc. Sarpanch is the head of the village. See, this Gram Panchayat office only. There will be, for this Gram Panchayat office, Sarpanch is the head of this Gram Panchayat. Sarpanch is the head of the village. So this Sarpanch only has to take care of all the village. So who is the head of the Gram Panchayat means Sarpanch. Sarpanch is the head of the village. He only has to take care of all the village. Okay. So from this Gram Panchayat only will be getting water. Whatever the water we are using at our homes. Water. Supplying of water. The Gram Panchayat will supply the water for our homes. And cleaning streets. Cleaning streets and maintaining street lights. Street lights is there, no? And any work related to the village, all these works should be done by this Gram Panchayat office only. In our village, every village will be having Gram Panchayat office, and this Sarpanch is the head of this Gram Panchayat office. And this Sarpanch only has to take care of all the villages, maintaining the water supplying. They have to supply the water for all the village people, all the houses, and they have to clean the streets. They have to clean the street means the Sarpanch will not clean the streets. The Sarpanch has to take care of all the streets to be clean. దగ్గర ఉండి మొత్తం క్లీన్ గా చేపించాలి అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ సర్పంచ్ విల్ మెయింటైన్ ద టు కీప్ అవర్ విలేజ్ క్లీన్ అండ్ మెయింటైనింగ్ స్ట్రీట్ లైట్స్. స్ట్రీట్ లైట్స్ మనకి రోడ్డు మీద దేర్ విల్ బి దిస్ పోల్స్ లో స్తంభాలు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఫర్ దట్ పోల్స్ దేర్ విల్ బి స్ట్రీట్ లైట్స్. స్ట్రీట్ లైట్స్ ఉండాలి అన్నా కూడా దిస్ సర్పంచ్ ఓన్లీ హ్యాస్ టు టేక్ కేర్. సో ఆల్ దీస్ వర్క్స్ టు యువర్ విలేజ్ హ్యాస్ టు డన్ బై దిస్ గ్రామ పంచాయత్ ఆఫీస్. ఓకే, next one, health centers. Health centers. Next, second one is the second one, health centers. Health center. Health center create awareness on health and hygiene among the villages. It has a doctor and a nurse to treat people and provide medicines. See children, in these health centers, this health center there will be a people like nurses, doctors will be there. That nurses and doctors only has to take care of all the villages health. For example, if you are suffering with fever means we have to go to the health center and there will be a doctor and a nurse. They will give us a prescription and they will give the medicine and they will give us injections and they will give us medicines. So there will be a nurses and a doctors to take care of our health. Okay, and they will provide medicines also to all the village people. From this health centers only the nurses, doctors will give us medicine and they will treat us. Okay children, and they will keep our health, they will keep all the people healthy. And the third one, bank. And the third one is a bank. Bank is the place where people save their money. Bank is a place. Bank ante enti? Bank is a place where people save their money. If you are having a lots of money, if you keep in your house, if you are not at their home means some other people will come and they will come and take your money and will go. Some thieves will be there. దొంగలు ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళు వెతుకుపోతారు అనమాట. సో అలా ఎత్తుకెళ్ళిపోకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే వాట్ వీ హ్యాస్ టు డూ మీన్స్ వీ హ్యాస్ టు కీప్ అవర్ మనీ ఇన్ ఎ బ్యాంక్. Bank is a very safe place for money. Okay children, so we has to save our money in a banks. It also gives loans to the villagers for their needs. And this bank is there, no, this bankers what they will do means they will use the loan. Loan means మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా మనీ అవసరం అయితే కనుక if you go to the bank and if we ask the bank managers, they will give us the loans. Loans ఇస్తే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, we has to pay in return. The banks gives us the loan when we need it. మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా అవసరం అయితే బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు మనకి లోన్ ఇస్తారు. బట్ that money we has to return it back. When we are having money, we has to return it back. So bank is a place for money. And next, fourth one, overhead water tank. The fourth one is the overhead water tank. Overhead water tank. Overhead water tank supplies purified and clean drinking water to every household in the village through pipes and taps. See children, this overhead water tanks is there, no? From that water tanks only we all the people in the villages getting water through the pipelines. Underground there will be a pipelines. From that underground pipes only to our homes there are the taps. So మన ఇంటికి ఇలా ట్యాప్ తిప్పితే మన ఇంటి దగ్గర నీళ్ళు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి కదా, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి? From where we are getting that water? We are getting that water through the pipelines from that overhead tank. ఓకే, అక్కడ మనకి ఊర్లో ఎక్కడైతే వాటర్ ట్యాంక్ ఉందో అక్కడ నుంచి అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ లో పైపులు ఉండి ఆ పైప్ నుంచి మన ఇంట్లోకి ట్యాప్ ఉండి ఆ ట్యాప్ నుంచి మనం ఇలా తిప్పగానే వాటర్ వస్తున్నాయి. సో if there is no water, overhead water tank will be not getting any water. So overhead water tank supplies the water for all the village people. Okay, next one, milk collection center. Milk collection center. Milk collection. Milk collection. Milk collection means milk collection center is the place where the villagers sell their cattle's milk. Cattle's milk. Milk collection center అంటే ఏంటి? పాల కేంద్రాలు ఉంటాయి కదా. So what all the village peoples will do means all the village peoples will be having cattle. So no, cows, buffaloes, like that they will be, no, and the cows and buffaloes will give their milk. So all the people will collect that milk and they will take all that milk and they will sell in the milk collection center. This milk collection center people will take that milk and they will give money. So all the people from the villages they will sell their cattle's milk to this milk collection centers. Next one, post office. Next one, post office. This post office is used to send and receive the letters. మనకి లెటర్స్ ఎవరికైనా పంపించాలి అన్నా ఎవరైనా పంపిస్తే మన దగ్గరికి రావాలి అన్నా we has to go to this post office and we has to post the letters. So from these post offices only we are getting all the letters and we are sending all the letters. And in this post office also we can save our money, not only in banks, we can save our money in post office also and pay our life insurance also. మనకి ఎక్కువగా డబ్బులు ఉంటే కనుక మనం we can pay a life insurance also. And we'll be having stamps, this small stamps, 10 rupees stamps, 100 rupees stamps, 20 rupees stamps will be there. So that stamps also we has to buy from this post office only. Okay, next one, veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital takes care of the health of all the cattle in the village. See, in a village, there all of us will be having cows, goats, cow, goats, sheep, hens. So many will be there cattle. So for all that cattle, if there is any health problem, we have to go to this veterinary hospital only. In this veterinary hospital, there will be a doctors of animals doctors. So they will treat our animals. So we have to take the medicine for our animals from these veterinary hospitals only. Okay children, next one is a primary school. Already we know what is a primary school. Primary school means up to 5th class, yes or no? Primary school. The school up to 5th class is called a Primary school. Primary school provides education up to 5th class. Primary school provides education up to 5th classes to all the children in the villages. They continue their studies in the high schools. After completing their studies in the primary school, they will go to the high schools. They will go to the high schools. And next one, bus stop. Bus stop. Bus stop is the halting place for the buses where the villagers can board them to travel to the nearest town or to the other villages. If the villagers want to go to the another village or other towns or cities, they has to go to this bus stop only. Okay. The buses will not come to their nearby roads. There will be a bus stop. There will be a one bus stop to the village. So for that bus stop only all these people has to go. From there only they has to go to other villages. Bus stop is the halting places for the buses. The buses will stop in this bus stops only. So all the people, whoever wants to go to the other villages or other towns, they has to go to these bus stops only. Okay children. Next one. There is a temple, church and a mosque to pray and worship to the God. In the villages we will be having temples. Okay. Churches. And mosques. Mosques means masjid. In all the villages we will be having these temples, churches and mosques. Okay children. So, all the people to worship God, some people will go to these temples, few people will go to the churches and few people will go to the mosques. Okay children. So, this is the class for today children. Remaining class I will continue tomorrow. Okay children. Thank you children.